make this quick video about how to create a Facebook page on mobile. Um, Facebook pages are different than personal profiles. A lot of people and businesses do use personal profiles, but you don't get the same features. You can't run ads. Um, Facebook business pages also show up in Google searches and other search engine searches. It might take a week or a month or so after you create the page for it to show up, but it will actually show up in those search results on the search engines. Also, people can link from websites to business pages more easily. Information can be shown on websites about business pages that can't be shown about profiles. Also, the Google Maps, I believe they're called cards, which are basically if you search for a business, um, on Google and you look over to, well, on desktop, if you look over to the right, you'll see a card on mobile. It comes up near the top. It'll be a link to a map to the location, and also there's other details about the business, and one of those is website. And actually, if you don't have an actual website, you can link to a Facebook page, Facebook business page in that. And then when you go to the maps as well, it shows your hours and stuff like that, and some of that information can be pulled over from your Facebook business page. And also there's a link to your business website, which can be a link to a Facebook business page, which you cannot do with a personal profile. So there's other things, and you can run ads if you want to on Facebook, which you can't do through a personal profile. So to create that, first thing you'll do is you would, of course, get on Facebook, and then you would tap these three lines in the top right, the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app, and then you scroll down and you tap on pages. Once you tap on pages, it's going to pull up. If you already have pages, it's going to show your current pages. If you don't have any pages, it's not going to, obviously not going to show anything. You're going to click or actually tap this little, it's got a plus sign and it says create. It's like the smallest text on the page, but it's up near the top right. You're going to tap that. And then once you tap that, touch the big Get Started button, and then you name your page. So I'm going to name it just test page. Next. Once you do that, you choose category, product or service. If you're a band, obviously, you know. And then you tap next. All right, so if you already have an actual website, you can enter that here. If you don't, oops, click the back button. If you don't, you can just tap next. And it's going to ask you to add a profile picture. When you tap add profile picture, that's basically that little square, or actually now it's a circle, the smaller picture, smaller image that you see on profiles and pages. I'm not going to upload anything, but if you do tap that, it gives you the opportunity to either take a new picture or to upload a picture that you already have on your phone or device. So if you don't already have one of those made, you can go ahead and do that before you go through this process, or just skip it because it allows you to go back and do these things in the future. And then cover photos. These are the cover photos, are the big, larger section that are in the top of pages. You should not have a whole lot of text usually in your cover photo. You can have some text, but not a whole lot. It should be something that makes your page noticeable and related to your business. But I'm going to go ahead and skip that. All right, so here's the page. As you can see, if you don't enter a picture, it just uses the first letter of whatever your page is called for now. But you can click edit to add a cover photo if you didn't add one in the beginning. You can click the little image of a camera. I keep saying click, but tap the image of a camera in that little square to add your profile image if you didn't add one. So that's it to get started. The rest of it, it basically operates like a face. So you tap post, and you can just go ahead and create a post just like you would on your regular profile. This is a test post. Next. And another nifty thing that you can't do with profiles while I'm going through this is if you read at the top where it says how do you want to publish this, it says post now. So if I tap publish in the top right, it's going to go ahead and post it now. But if I go ahead and tap on that box where it says how do you want to publish this, my phone's going to go slow. It's recording, so it's taking a lot of processor and memory in the phone right now. So then it gives you a selection. You can save it as draft, so you can go back and edit it later, or you can nifty thing is you can schedule. So I could schedule it for today in 10 minutes. I think the minimum that you can schedule it ahead of time is 10 minutes, but you can to like I think it's a week ahead of time or more. So this, if I tap set date right now, it's schedule it to post at 3:32, which is 10 minutes from now. Or you can tap on where it says today, and it drops down and it gives you a calendar that lets you go through and actually select a date in the future. So I'm going to say this. Say we think we're running a special on Friday or something like that. So just say this test post is about a special. So I tap where it says the 25th under Friday, tap OK. And then actually once your page gets going and you get a lot of likes, there's also a section here where it shows you when most of your visitors are online. So let's say most of our visitors are online, and it's a special, so we kind of want to run it a little earlier during the day. So let's roll this back to 10. Let's say 10:45 a.m. So I'm gonna have that. It would be right after most businesses open. People are up. People are checking their Facebook and stuff like that. It's 10:45 a.m. I'm gonna tap OK, set date, and then it's you would tap schedule now instead of post, and it would publish that post Friday at 10:45 a.m. Another thing you can see, it turned it off since it's a scheduled post, but you can boost posts as well, and that's basically boosted post is advertising. You go through and you get to select the demographics like the age, male and female, location. You can select within 10 miles of your business location and things like that. It's just nice things that you can do that you can't do with a regular profile. Going to go ahead and discard those changes on this test post. I just clicked the back, tapped the back button a few times. Now, usually for boosted posts and promotions and stuff like that, I go ahead and make posts, and I'll post them. I'll do that scheduled thing. I'll go ahead and schedule a post, and I'll post it, and I'll wait at least a few hours, or I'll schedule the promotion to start the advertisements on Facebook to start at least a few hours, if not a few days, after the post goes live on the business Facebook page. And that's because you might be spending money that you don't need to spend, because when the post first goes live, some posts might get a few thousand people liking it or viewing it and stuff like that just for free, just from people who think that whatever you posted is neat or informational, and they'll share it, so you can actually get it spread for free. Your information on your business Facebook page spread for free instead of promoting it. And then in the future, you can pay to have more people see it or targeted people see it. So went on a little bit longer than I should have about that, but that's how to make a post and promotion and schedule. And then you can tap photo just like you would on a regular Facebook account. Everybody knows how to do that. You can get reviews and stuff like that from other people. You can list your prices for services if you want to. Now, all these are optional. You can turn those off. You can turn the reviews off. You can turn the shop off. And then you can tap on edit page, and you can change the look and what the buttons do and everything like that. But you can go ahead and go through those. I just wanted to get people on knowing how to set up a Facebook business page and explain some of the benefits that it has over just having a Facebook profile, which are good, but if you have a business, this will get you out there a little bit more than just a regular Facebook profile will. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. If you don't, click the thumbs down. If you have anything to add to it, go ahead and drop a comment under the video. And I just I post random videos about random information on how to do things when they come up, or if people ask me a question or some suggestion I might have. It could be on anything. It could be on Facebook. It could be on computers, websites, random things. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to, or check out some of the other videos. Hope this helps some people out. Thanks for watching.